Understanding the essence of Comradeship Circle. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that's not just a collection of words, but a reflection of human connection and solidarity: Comradeship Circle. Stick around to unravel the layers of meaning behind this phrase and why it's significant in both language learning and understanding cultural nuances. First, let's dissect the phrase into its two core components: comradeship and circle. Comradeship refers to the feeling of friendship, solidarity, and loyalty that exists among members of a group who share common goals or experiences. It's a deeper bond that goes beyond casual friendship, often found among soldiers, activists, or teammates. Circle, in this context, symbolizes unity, continuity, and inclusiveness. It represents a group of individuals coming together, forming a bond that is both protective and supportive. When combined, Comradeship Circle embodies the concept of a supportive group bound by mutual respect, shared experiences, and a common purpose. It's about being part of a community that values each other's well-being and success as their own. The concept of a comradeship circle plays a crucial role in various aspects of society. It's evident in sports teams, workplace environments, social activism, and even online communities. This sense of belonging and mutual support can enhance individual and collective resilience, foster a positive and productive environment, encourage the sharing of knowledge and experiences, provide emotional and sometimes physical support during challenging times. Understanding the dynamics of a comradeship circle can help us appreciate the importance of social bonds and the impact they have on our success and well-being. Creating a comradeship circle involves more than just bringing people together. It requires nurturing a culture of trust, respect, and shared values. Here are some tips to cultivate such a circle. Be open and authentic. Genuine connections form the foundation of comradeship. Support and celebrate each other. Acknowledge achievements and provide comfort during setbacks. Encourage open communication. Foster an environment where everyone feels heard and valued. Share common goals. Work towards something meaningful together, enhancing the bond within the circle. Remember, a comradeship circle isn't static. It evolves as people grow and new members join. Continuous effort in maintaining the circle's core values is key to its longevity and impact. We hope this exploration of the comradeship circle has illuminated the beauty and importance of this concept in both personal and communal contexts. Building and being part of such a circle can enrich our lives in myriad ways, providing a source of strength, joy, and inspiration. Thank you for joining us in today's journey into the heart of language and human connection. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language and its cultural treasures. Until next time, keep nurturing your own comradeship circle and spreading the spirit of unity and support wherever you go.